Hello again everyone! Today we are going to see how easy and quick we can replace the batteries of our Bravo devices in case of a low battery. It is very important to disable the device before you replace the battery. Otherwise, you might trigger an alarm event when you open the device housing. You can use the bypass algorithm to disable the device, as we have seen in one of our previous videos. The only devices that do not require bypassing are the remote controls, because they cannot trigger an alarm event. Here's an example how we can replace the battery of our Bravo PIR motion detector. We need to open the device lid, remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. Then put the device lid back on. Keep in mind that the device might need a few minutes to establish normal working operation. The same algorithm for replacing a battery is used for any other Bravo detector. But how we can know the exact location of each device in case we have several detectors connected to our Bravo panel? It is actually pretty easy. When we enter the detectors menu and select a certain device position, the detector's LED should start blinking in yellow. This indication will help us determine the exact location of the selected device. And here's an example how we can replace the battery of the Bravo outdoor siren. We'll need a screwdriver, a cable cutter, and a cable tie for that purpose. First, we need to remove the siren's top cover. There is also a special plastic protector for the siren's board, which we need to remove as well. Then we need to disconnect the battery, as we can see in the video. After we disconnect the battery connector, we need to remove the metal protection which is covering the battery. We need to cut the cable tie which is holding the battery and replace it with the new one. After we are finished, we can put the whole siren back together. We must not forget to enable the devices after we replace their batteries. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Next time we will speak about Bravo panel zone configuration and how we can change it. Working with Bravo is fun!